Okay, usually I post this on my other channel. That I do a lot of Sage relay. I post like Sage relays there and stuff. But I just want to post this here anyways because it's my favorite station. So earlier today, I was on a call and I was joining into a Roblox game, and then all of a sudden I hear the Sage click. I'm like, oh shoot. And I had it to 91.5, so this is going to be some, like, what possible alert could it be? And I realized it was an RWT. Now, there hasn't been any videos I've seen of WKHR 91.5 required tests, so it was the first. I also emailed them, and they said they don't, like, the person that was in charge of the Facebook or whatever said they just have their Sage to set up to do it. So I still don't know if it was a random or set time, but I received it at 9:13. It was RWT. Now, when I view it, it says it was matched. And then this is going to be the information, just so if anybody's making a data sheet or something and they want to know, put stuff about WKHR 91.5 and Geauga. This is all the information about it. So yeah, that's their call sign or station name or whatever. But yes, that's basically all the information about WKHR. And then this was my relay. Okay, WX. But yeah, if anybody wants to use that information about WKHR, feel free. You don't even have to give credit. But I will probably post the relay on my other channel, which is Northeast Ohio. Or it might be, I think it's Northeast Ohio EAS. So, yeah, if you want to see the relay, go there. But that's just information, and I wanted to post it because it's my local station down the road. So, yeah.